Okay, so I've got some of the question over the past few weeks, how to make money from Temu exactly. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do that. And actually, today's video is what's exactly is affiliate marketing. So basically, affiliate is when Temu will give you a link and a code where you have to, especially if you're an influencer. This is good so much for influencer. They'll give you a link and a code that everybody who want to buy stuff on Temu, they can use your code for 30% off, and you still get some of 20% off from the customer orders. Okay, so without further ado, I'll go ahead and show you guys step by step how to sign up and how to make money with this. Your job is basically to promote your link and promote your code and watch the money rolling. Okay, so at first you're gonna want to go ahead and click the link down below there, so it will bring you right over on this page where I'm at. Because I don't know how I could have done this, but I'm pretty sure it should bring you up to this page once you click the link down below. It should open up the app or something like that. It will tell you to log in with your information, all that stuff, and yeah. And after that, they'll give you first $5 in your account, and then you will have to wait until you reach 20, and so that way you can withdraw. As you see here, you can withdraw this money via PayPal. And other than that, they have a lot of benefits down here. You can share your affiliate code. Here's your affiliate code, and then you can share other products that you recommend, which I barely recommend this case. This wireless charging transparent protective case, which will be, the link of it will be down below if you want to check it out, the full of it. But other than that, so basically you sign up, and then since they will give you a code, and by the way, here are the codes. Here is the codes for all orders, and the first one is for all orders and all downloaders. If you are new for Temu, you can download it using the links, neither one or two. And then for any promo codes, just use these right here. You can use any of these, by the way, any of mine's. I'll leave some of them, link will be below, and you can use any of these to get 30% off any of your purchase. So without further ado, basically that was it for the tutorial, and I hope this was helpful. Make sure you guys subscribe and like and comment and share this to your friend if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.